Cabbage is a highly nutritious vegetable with numerous health benefits. Some of the key benefits of consuming cabbage include: rich in nutrients, cabbage is a good source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, folate, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and supporting various bodily functions. High in fiber, cabbage is rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Fiber also promotes a feeling of fullness, making it beneficial for weight management. Antioxidant properties: cabbage contains powerful antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids, which help combat free radicals in the body and reduce oxidative stress. These antioxidants contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases and aging. Anti-inflammatory effects: the phytonutrients found in cabbage have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, so consuming cabbage may support overall health. Supports heart health: the fiber and antioxidants in cabbage can contribute to heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Lowering these risk factors can help decrease the likelihood of heart disease. Cancer-fighting properties: some studies suggest that cabbage may have cancer-preventive properties, particularly for certain types of cancer, such as colon, breast, and lung cancer. The presence of glucosinolates in cabbage is believed to play a role in this potential benefit. Weight management: cabbage is a low-calorie and low-fat vegetable, making it a great addition to a weight loss or weight management diet. Its high fiber content also aids in promoting satiety. Supports gut health: cabbage is a source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for digestive health and overall well-being. Skin health: the high vitamin C content in cabbage supports collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining healthy and youthful skin. Immune system support: vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties, and cabbage's vitamin C content can contribute to strengthening the immune system. It's important to note that individual dietary needs may vary, and while cabbage offers many benefits, it should be part of a well-balanced diet along with a variety of other fruits, vegetables, and whole foods.